I'm Josh Seberg, and this is Raising the Bar. I'm the head spirit writer for Distinction Magazine and Virginia Growler, and I've spent the better part of the last decade running bars, training bartenders, and teaching people how to make better cocktails. Today we're going to talk about ice, and teach you how to make an old-fashioned cocktail, and give you a couple tips to up your game at home. So you go to a nice bar, and there's nothing better than being served a beautiful cocktail on a large, perfectly cut, crystal clear cube of ice. At home, that's not always a possibility, so we're going to talk about ice from a standpoint of function over form. You can make ice in just about anything. Deli quart container from takeout, a Tupperware you have lying around. As long as it holds water and seals airtight and won't break in your freezer, it'll make ice. After you've made your ice, if you have a large block, you can wait for it to thaw just a little bit, get it out of the container, and use a bread knife to break it into the pieces you want. These are going to be perfect for both shaking and stirring your cocktails and for serving over it. They're not going to be the prettiest things in the world, but they'll keep your drink cold, and that's what we're after. To make your old fashioned, you'll need aged spirit of any kind. Whiskey's classic, but it's great with rum or cognac. You'll need simple syrup, equal parts sugar and water. You can use a white sugar or something a little less processed like turbinado or demerara. And aromatic bitters. Angostura is classic and what I like to use at home. A way to think of bitters: 1 dash should just cover the base of your glass. We're going for 6. Put 6 or 8 dashes of bitters into your rocks glass, a teaspoon of simple syrup, and 2 ounces of your spirit of choice. If you don't have a jigger to measure your spirit, it's helpful to know that 1 tablespoon is about ½ ounce. After your liquid ingredients are combined, fill your glass with ice, give it a couple gentle stirs, and then garnish with your choice of citrus. You can either use an orange twist if you want to stay classic, or a lemon to make it a little lighter. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. For more information, you can read my articles in Distinction Magazine and Virginia Growler, or for direct questions and to follow my pop-up, catch me on Instagram at Model Citizen Cocktails.